Hey guys, you can obviously tell this is not the factory airbox. In order to get that factory airbox out, you can take the whole damn thing out of here from the top. You don't have to take the bumper off or anything. You just got to remove the battery, and for a little extra insurance, take the top piece that hides the radiator. It's held in by a shrew of 10mm bolts, nuts, and just need a screwdriver for the hose clamps. This is an air intake designed for a Camry. Normally when people put these in for the RAV4, they don't utilize this heat shield. Well, in order to utilize the heat shield, my way, is you cut off this side right here. As you can see in this photograph here, comparing the factory to the original design with this and when I cut it. The reason why that extended piece is there is because in the Camry, this battery is further over and there's part of the airbox still going through here. Of course, with the RAV, it doesn't work that way. So, you cut here and it'll fit right in. Once you get the original airbox, bottom part of the airbox out, you'll have this bracket to contend with. This holds part of the main engine harness down. Removing it will not damage the harness. After this bracket is removed, this will sit flat. So to attach this new heat shield down, you got to drill a new hole. Can't see it because it's under this. And you'll be held by just one hole, one screw. To improve it, you'll notice in this photograph here that there is a square hole right about here. To utilize that hole to my advantage, I take the leftover scrap metal from taking this off and I make a splice plate, which you can actually see right here. Drilled a hole in the center and it lined up perfectly and it holds this down, so it's got some decent strength there. You also have to re-drill a hole right for the mounting of this valve, which you just plug with two vacuum caps that come with the kit. This pipe is 3 inches. In order to keep this mass airflow sensor happy, I had to buy a kit by SPECTRE, which is a mass airflow sensor universal kit that comes with sleeves. What you want to do is take the 2 3/4 inch sleeve and shove it into the front end of this pipe so it lines up with this mass airflow sensor. It'll keep the mass airflow sensor happy and it will emulate the factory pipe from the airbox. Here's a picture of it in the pipe. Now with it all hooked up in here and tightened up, you have a hose right here that just goes right into there. You reconnect this hose right here, put the battery in, put the thing in. It will run like crap for 10 minutes, maybe not even that. I always give the estimation of 10 minutes because some Toyotas are happy with this, some aren't. So, but don't worry, it'll start right up. And once it goes through its paces, no check engine lights, no nothing. You will see some massive improvements. One of the biggest ones is the sound. This thing sounds good, as I will now demonstrate. Please note that this is cold engine, so I won't be able to rev it that hard. So, this is what I've been doing to keep myself busy during our untimely quarantine. I'm curious, what are you guys doing through this? You got any projects? Anything worth telling? Please mention it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you have going. We have more mods for this coming up. This is A for Hachi signing off.